Imagine you're browsing the internet at your favorite coffee shop, sipping on your latte. Sounds harmless, right? But did you know that someone sitting right next to you could be snooping on your data? This is where a VPN comes in. A VPN, or virtual private network, creates a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. It encrypts your data, making it unreadable to hackers, your internet service provider, or even governments trying to track your online activities. Here's how it works. When you connect to a VPN, your internet traffic is rerouted through a server located in another part of the world. This server acts as a middleman, masking your real IP address and encrypting your connection, which helps protect your privacy. VPNs also give you access to geo-restricted content. Want to watch a show only available in another country? Simply connect to a VPN server in that location, and it's like you're virtually there, unlocking a whole new world of content. But let's be clear, VPNs aren't perfect. While they can protect your privacy and encrypt your data, they aren't a cure-all. They won't stop malware, phishing attacks, or data collection from websites you visit. So, it's essential to use them as part of a broader security strategy. That's why VPNs should be used alongside other security measures, like strong, unique passwords, two-factor authentication, and staying cautious when clicking on links or downloading attachments. So, should you use a VPN? Absolutely. If you value your privacy, often access public Wi-Fi, or want to bypass geo-blocks to watch your favorite content worldwide, a VPN is a must-have tool in your digital toolkit. Remember, while VPNs are essential for privacy, they're only part of the puzzle. Stay safe online with the right tools and practices. Want to learn more about online security and privacy tips? Hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more essential tech insights. Stay protected out there.